Sheba in the big guy. Sheba in the big guy. Today,
boom chicka.
Boom chicka boom boom. Boom chicka boom boom.
Let's drink some more of that Mountain Dew.
God, I guess I did.
Yeah.
Oh, this is smart food. Snickerdoodle. Oh yeah, what's your name?
I got that boom chicka pop.
Hold it up.
Pumpkin spice.
What is it? Kettle drizzled? Yeah.
Drizzled kettle popcorn.
Oh no, that's too loud. Here, come on. Do the thumbnail. No, hold it up. Get closer. Get closer. Okay, that's it. Alright. Taste yours first.
Why does boom chicka, why have they got this little, they got this child-proof seal on here? The heck? Come on, boom chicka. Relax. Let the Charon get some of the popcorn, alright?
It's a good seal, so one for sale. What do it smell like?
A whole bunch of sweetness.
Oh, it smells very spicy.
If you like pumpkin pie, you'll like this. You like pumpkin pie?
But I like this.
Alright, pass it back, my friend.
Okay, so what I've noticed is that it has like a powdery, it's powdery to show you that there's pumpkin spice on it.
Yeah.
And then I could taste that there's like a icing on it. And then I taste the crunch of the kettle. So I taste everything. It's good. It's a powerful punch. It grabs you and pulls you in. I like it.
I like snacks.
Don't sound like that.
There was a dude at work, he used to do that. Every time he ate something, he was like, boom.
And you could really actually see the icing on here.
It is fire.
Yeah, it is. I ain't gonna steer you wrong with this one. Get that. Get that, get that, get that.
Boom chicka is crazy good too.
They come out with a lot of flavors. And to me, I've been liking their flavors. So that's a winner, chicken dinner.
Boom chicka be having all types of flavors.
I would definitely get that again, and I recommend that. The next one is the Smart Food Snickerdoodle. I'm nervous because this is like, I think this would be like healthier. I think we should have ate this one first. Okay, it smells pretty good. You like it? Smell?
It's cool.
Clean the palate off a little bit more.
See what that's in for. What's that hand for, cuz?
It tastes healthier.
It tastes healthier.
I can taste the spices of cinnamon. It tastes like an actual Snickerdoodle. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's nice and flavorful. It tastes a little buttery. It's good. It's definitely good. Really spicy. I can taste a lot of cinnamon. I can taste sugar and sweetness. It said there's buttermilk in here, molasses. I can taste, it's pretty good. I would definitely get this again. I like it. It's nice and light, but the spice is strong. I can taste the buttermilk. I can taste it. It's good. I like it. Now let's see what you like. You need to clear your palate, sir. I think you should clear your palate. Well, that definitely tastes that butter. That was good. Probably has less calories than this.
That's 180. This is 150.
Yeah. We're going to try to make it last. You know that song? You in that age group? Say what that song was. Make it last.
Yeah.
So which one you like? I know you like this one better. But it's good to have like a mix-up. Being that you're on your healthy kick, that's probably like a
Speaking of
good
that, I
deal
gotta
for
go
you.
to Planet Fitness today.
I don't do Mondays, so that's not gonna work for me.
Gotta be back for my before football come on.
On that note, that has been our popcorn review. And to me, I say 2 thumbs up for both of them. A thumbs up for this one, a thumbs up for that one. I like them, both of them. This one is good for him being on his diet. And this is like, you only can have a couple. Because that's like, you can eat the whole bag messing around with that. That you can probably save for later.
I got
But
too
it's still
much
good.
cinnamon on here.
I like it. So, what do you think? Say no to that again?
That's okay. My neck is getting long. Fat long neck.
No, he's slimming down, looking good. All right, on that note, it's been Sheba and the big guy. Come back next time.
That's my mama probably.
Deuces.
Babe, what are you doing?
Bye. Check us out on another video. You gotta go, you gotta answer the phone. Bye.